Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video tutorial on how to design Vtol RC drone. In the second video I'm going to show you how to design the fuselage, and if you haven't seen my first video I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can check the first video on how we imported the blueprints, how we calibrate them, and I also give you access to download the blueprint by putting the link in the comment as well. To start designing the fuselage, I'm going to click on the surface tab here. I'm going to choose create form, and I also use cylinder. So I use the right side view, click on the right construction plane, and I try to choose somewhere to be the center of this vertical line. I think here looks like the center of the fuselage. So I click and drag the mouse out and click. I change the view to the top view. We have to rotate this cylinder because we want to go this way to all the way back or to the tail of the fuselage. I'm going to press M on the keyboard and press M and select the cylinder. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and start editing the form. Click OK. Now I'm going to click on modify, edit form, and I'm going to select all and scale out the cylinder. I think we have to move the cylinder to this way. We move it 5 degrees and then scale it out again, so to make sure that we cover the fuselage all. Now I'm going to change the view to the right side view, and I'm going to follow the lines to redesign the fuselage. So to do that, I'm going to double click on this edge so the whole edge is selected. Press Option on the keyboard for Mac users, and now click on this arrow and drag this way. Release, press the option again and drag here. As you can see, we have created different segments here. Now we have to double click, scale this one, move it up. That was too much. Yep, that looks good. Again, hold down the option key on the keyboard and drag. And again, we have to scale it and move it up. Just make sure that you follow this line to redesign the fuselage. And we have to check the top view as well. As you can see, we made a mistake here, so we have to fix it. I'm going to follow the lines from the top view as well. So double click, just like what we did for the side view. Yes, like that. And we come back to the right side. Try to follow the lines. Hold down the option key. Back to the right side, Option key and drag it out. We repeat the same steps for every segment that we are adding to the cylinder. We are almost there. I think we should move it up. Yep. Now it looks good, and if you have any comment, please feel free to write it down in the comment. I'm gonna choose 240. That's 230. Yeah, we are following the blueprint. Switch to the right side again and move it up. Yes, that looks okay. Now we try to finish the front part to the nose. Double click on this edge, hold down the option key on the keyboard and move it to the front. Scale it down like that to the right side view. There is no problem with the right side. Again, hold down the option key. Yeah, I'm going to move it to that way. Scale it down and bring it down here. That looks good. Let's see the front, the top view. Yeah, that looks good. This part doesn't seems to be perfect. That looks good. Yep. And back to the side view. Double click on this edge. if there's any mistake, we can choose the edge or the vertex line, double click, and we can change the scale of this specific area, so there will be no problem if there's any mistake or we haven't followed the blueprint properly. Now it looks good. Again, I'm going to come to this place. Yep, that looks good. Side view. Just like that. Yes. From the top view, we're gonna move it to the front. That looks okay to me. Yes. Click OK. We have done the fuselage like right now. It looks like that. Here this part doesn't look perfect, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click modify, edit the form. Here choose the edge control. Let's see, double click here. Also, the nose doesn't look so perfect, so I'm going to just move it to here and bring it to the size. Like that. I think the shape looks okay now. It's pretty much the same like the blueprint that we have. And we follow the line properly. Now click OK. Hide the canvas. Click the body, right click. Sorry. Here there is a problem. Modify, edit form. Click OK. That's the nose. Right click. We have to add shell so we can give the thickness to the form. Sorry, I had to click finish the sketch. Now we can right click. Come on. thicken. We click on the form, and I'm going to add 10 millimeter thickness. I'm going to give minus 10 millimeter and click OK. Right now we have a new body here. As you can see, it has a thickness and the inside is hollow. So if we make any change to the form, it will definitely affect the new body as well. So that's it for this video. For the next video, I'm going to show you how to design the wings and how we have to download the coordination of the wing and how we import it. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and to see more videos on how to design the drones. Thank you so much.